Updates now from the national capital. The number of COVID-19 containment zones in Delhi has now risen to 421 from 280 after remapping of the containment zones were done in certain of the areas. Now, this has been an increase of 141 zones in the last 2 days, with the Southwest district topping the chart. Now, this exercise was launched on June 26 after the MHA's directions. Remember, the focus of the remapping exercise is now to identify the clusters of infection. So, if an existing containment zone has more than 2 clusters, it will be realigned to the number of clusters. In fact, the DMs have been now directed to make use of Itihas and the Arogya Setu apps by the Home Ministry. Let me bring in my colleague Ayushman, who's joining me live with further updates on this entire case. Ayushman, good morning. We are looking at an increase in the containment zones after this remapping process that has been done. Help us understand how this remapping has been done, which are the districts now that have topped the chart, and what is the purpose now once these districts have been identified and remapped?
Well, Apurva, if you remember, the revamped strategy of containment zone was somewhere mentioned in the Paul committee report, which was to be implemented on ground by the Delhi government. We are standing right outside the Tilak Vihar containment zone. Now, Apurva, if you see here, the entire area was a containment zone as per the earlier norm. Now, what has happened post the new strategy? What has happened, Apurva, is that door-to-door screening took place from June 26th, and currently we are being told by officials that this area which you are seeing currently, Apurva, has been bifurcated into 3 different containment zones. Now, earlier the entire area was a containment zone. Currently, 3 of the segments are there where there are separate house numbers, where the cluster of cases have been identified, that from where the cases are coming, and for that reason only the area which was earlier 1 containment zone has now been bifurcated into 3 containment zones. Now, what has happened here, Apurva, is this exercise has been conducted so as the authorities can bifurcate and can see as to how much prevalence of COVID infection is there in door-to-door basis. Now, apart from that, not just from this area, but all across the national capital, we are being told from the officials, Apurva, that there are 13 big containment zones which needed to be further bifurcated. And with the help of door-to-door screening, and like you mentioned, the MHA has said that the Itihas app will be used, the Arogya Setu app will be used. More than 34 lakh households are there in the national capital. We have been told somewhere around 2 lakh households have been visited by the ASHA workers, and they have taken down the details of people who are actually living in these zones. Containment zone is currently the priority. So in order to implement the better strategy to contain the chain of spreading of virus, the containment zone need to be delineated. Not that has happened in the national capital. We have seen earlier the containment zones number was somewhere around 280, and that has been increased. So that additional focus now remains on house to house, building to building, even lanes. That remains the focus from here on, Apurva. That is why this bifurcation has been seen in the national capital, where the containment zone number has definitely gone up. But if you see the overall status, the containment zone, which was earlier a larger zone, in that several bifurcation has been done so that this number is seen in a large quantity. But if you see somewhere the containment measures which the MHA has directed, that will be implemented in these areas.
All right, Ayushman, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates.